How to turn an online store into a catalog with Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to turn your Hostinger website or your store in your Hostinger website into a catalog with a no buy button and also show only the art, for example, or the specific product or something that you are not going to buy basically. So it is going to be very simple. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the website. The first thing that you need to do is to head over the websites, click on websites list, make sure that you have added at least the products that you have already or want to showcase the catalog for. You're going to click on manage store and then make sure that you are going to hide the add to bag button for each one of the products. So you're going to head over the products, select the product, for example, and then you are going to scroll down until you're going to see the pricing. You can go ahead and hide the button in here. So hide add to bag button in here for this one. We're going to click on save and then we are going to do that for all of the products that we have in here. So basically, I think that you've got the idea. We're going to hide it from here and also are going to do that for all the products that has been into your store. Now, once you have did that, what you're going to do is to click on edit website and then we're going to head over the page for all the products, which is going to be the main page in here. So we have here the products. When you click on add products, I'm going to, or the products, you're going to see all products. Here we have the label, the browser, and etc. Now I want to hide all of these. So we are going to click on edit section. Now we're going to see the filters. We are going to remove the show categories as filters. And also we are going to head over the sorting and we are going to disable the sorting. Also, we are going to head over the number or the total product count, which is going to be this one. We're going to remove it as it is. So here we can see that we have the add to back button. I'm going to remove them as well. So for the prices, also, I don't think that we can remove them, but it is going to be in here. So I want to modify or as you can see here, remove the prices. So I'm going to manage the product in here. I can go ahead and click on manage product and we're going to see the product itself. I'm going to remove the add to bag button if possible. So we're going to add or hide the add to bag button. For the pricing, unfortunately, with the last update, we cannot make it disappear. So you're going to see that we have eliminated the add to cart button, and here we have it. Now, when you head over the products, you're going to see that we have the catalog as it is. We cannot buy it, but we are going to only see it. This is only made for, let's say, arts or portfolios, as you can see in here. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.